everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your marketing agency, and I have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to first test this once whether it is working fine or not, and then I'm going to show you how you can also create this for your business. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a query. I want more leads for my business. Which digital marketing service do you recommend and how much will they cost? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. I have received this message. Great, I can help you with that. To increase leads, a mix of paid ads, conversion-focused landing page, and ongoing organic work usually delivers the best result. With the rest of the details, I have received these details and it has provided me a very detailed reply. I'm going to ask another question. Can you analyze my business needs and suggest the best marketing package based on the goals and budget? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. I have received this message. Yes, I can. To give a specific actionable recommendation, I need few details. Now, it is asking me what is your details, what is the detail of your business, monthly marketing budget, biggest marketing challenge, all these details. If I send these details in a detailed format, it is going to suggest me with the rest of the details in the package and everything. I'm going to ask a final question. I'd like to book a free consultation. What details do you need and what time slots are available? So I've sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. Whatever question or the query I'm asking, it is replying me in a very detailed format, as you can see. This was the question for asking suggestion. This was the question in which I was asking for a recommendation. So I have received this message again for the final question which I asked. Great, I can book that for you. To schedule, please pick a preferred day and time. You have to send these details. Then we have this optional details if you want to send, and the conclusion. So this is how my WhatsApp AI agent or a chatbot is working. And now if you also want to learn how you can create this for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can create a WhatsApp chatbot which can automate our WhatsApp conversation with the customers. For this, we are going to create this using Pabbly Chatflow first. So we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow. We have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. If you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. And this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here I'm going to click on this sign in as I'm an existing user. I'm landed towards the All Pabbly Apps page where I can see all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Chatflow Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add a WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number. Click on this WhatsApp Connect, which is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. You can check that out. Now on the left hand side, we have this option of AI Assistant. Let's open this. Here I've landed towards the AI Assistant page. You can see the total AI Assistant, active AI Assistant, and the inactive AI Assistant. To create a new AI Assistant, I simply have to click on this Add AI Assistant, and let's first name it as WhatsApp AI Agent for your marketing agency, and then simply click on this Add AI Assistant. Here we have landed towards this page. Now I'm going to start creating this AI agent. First, we have to select the instruction type. In the drop down, you can see all the instruction type we have. I'm going to select it as AI agent. The instructions are automatically added. You can enhance the instructions according to the requirement. Then we have this AI configuration. So over here we have this set how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. The AI to use will be OpenAI. The model will be GPT-5 mini, and then you have to enter the API key. In the help desk, it is written, OpenAI uses API key for authentication. Kindly visit your this to get the API key that you need to enter here. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink and I will be redirected towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all. And then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. Then we have this AI assistant settings. I have already added my key. I'm going to click on this connect. You will see OpenAI key saved successfully. It is very necessary that you also have the paid version of your AI agent, as I am also working on the paid version. So then we have this AI assistant settings. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, enter the message, and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. If the user do not want to receive the replies from the AI agent, then they can simply send this keyword and the AI agent will stop replying, or the matter will be escalated to human support. So you can simply enter the word and press enter. In this manner you can add the stop keyword. Then we have this retry attempt. So specify the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond. The valid range is 1 to 10. When the AI agent fails to respond, the valid range given to retry answering to the query is 1 to 10. So they can simply send that stop keyword. You can add as many as you want. Then we have this fallback message. I am here to assist with questions related to company information or support. This is the fallback message which I have entered, but it is not necessary that you enter the same. You can enter anything, and if the API is not responding, this fallback message will be sent to the user. You can also add the contact details of the company information, so if the queries are not resolved, at least the users can contact you directly. Moving on towards the next part, here we have this knowledge source. I'm going to select it as upload file. I'm going to click on this cloud, and then I'm going to click on this add new file. I have already downloaded the file, so I'm going to select this download, open this, and then upload this. As soon as the file is uploaded, I'm going to insert this. So here in this manner I have uploaded the file. Now here I'm going to file uploaded and proceeded successfully. I'm going to open the file which I have created. Knowledge base, digital dynamics, marketing agency, AI assistant, business information, description, contact information, business hours, service, suitable for deliverables, Google ads management, meta ads, social media marketing, website development, e-commerce marketing, WhatsApp marketing, email marketing, marketing automation. So I have created a very detailed knowledge base which has all the details of the services and the packages. You have to create a knowledge base like this, very detailed format, and then you have to download that in .txt or .pdf format, and then you have to upload like this in the manner I have uploaded. If the PDF has images, the limit is up to 10 pages only. Then we have this assistant interface. So over here you have to provide the heading name, and you can see display over here. Then we have the subheading. If you want to keep it, you can keep it. If you want to remove it, you can do that. Then we have this initial messages. So I have added one initial message. You can add two initial messages using which your AI agent is going to reply to the initial messages of the users. Then we have this display by powered by Pabbly. I have kept it enabled so it is visible here. If I disable this, it will be removed from here. In the footer text, I have added privacy policy. In the footer link, I have added link to privacy policy, and in the user first message, I have added I need help. But it is not necessary that if I need help is sent by the user, only then the AI agent is going to reply. It is going to reply based on any message. Then we have this theme mode. I have selected it as light. If you want to keep it dark, you can keep it. Then we have this assistant shape, circle, square, rounded square, and colors. If you want to change the text color, button color, background color, you can set this. Also, you can upload the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture just in the manner we have uploaded the knowledge base. After doing all this, you have to toggle on this button and save this AI assistant to activate this. If you do not do this, all this will be lost. AI assistant saved successfully. Now I'm going to click on this embed and use this code, and whenever someone clicks on that, they will be redirected towards the WhatsApp conversation. Moving on towards the next part, here we have to learn how we can assign the AI assistant to a particular group of contacts, or to all the contacts, or to a particular contact. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to open inbox in a new tab. Here I've landed towards this page. I simply have to toggle on this button, select the AI assistant which I've just created, and save this. In this manner, I've assigned this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to a particular chat is very time consuming, and that's why what we can do, we can assign the AI assistant to a particular group of contacts or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side, we have this option of settings. I'm going to open inbox settings in a new tab. Here I've landed towards the inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto reply settings. I have kept this enabled AI auto replies on. I have to select the list, select the AI assistant to that particular list, add more rules, select another list, select another AI assistant to all the list, add more rules. I can select all the contacts and select another AI assistant to all the contacts. Simply save the rules. In this manner, this particular AI assistant will be assigned to this particular list, this to this, and this to all the contacts. So this is how we have created this AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.